Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy RDP from RDP Outdoors. The last time we were going fishing, and I may have briefly talked to you guys about it. I got one of those little Predator 212. I think it's like a 6.5 horsepower motor, a little mud motor with a small propeller. Just get you in some very shallow water. The string broke on me once while I was out on the water. I had to bring it back in, run to Walmart, get a string, and replace it. Well, the last time I went out, it wasn't trying to start it. The recoil spring it's just old. It's just gotten weak and wasn't drawing the string back in and retracting like it should. So I ordered a replacement part, and I was just gonna go get the recoil spring, which was about $7 or $8. But Amazon had an entire kit, which you'll see here in a second, that replaced the whole mechanism for like $16. So it came in about 2 days, and we're gonna swap it out. All right, guys. So I tried to position the camera so you guys can see. I've already taken, there's only a couple of screws holding this one on. It's a little bit older. But anyway, this is the one. God, I don't have the paperwork out here with me. This is the one I ordered from Amazon. Right, so I went in and I was going to order just the recoil spring to replace it. But it was only like 17 bucks. So I figured, why not just replace the whole thing? And the cool thing about this is it actually came with an extra string, which I had already replaced here earlier. That's why it's all crappy looking. But we're just gonna pull that off. See if we can get this lined up. Perfect fit. Yeah, that's perfect. Where's my replacement screws? So I think it takes a 8mm here, and what I'll do is I'll just go in and get them lined up, get them started, right? And I usually go from like corner to corner. That's how Grandpa did everything. So, and everything that he did seemed to work. Well, these screws don't seem, these aren't the same. Oh, that's the problem. You guys disregard that. I got it lined up in the wrong place. That's where we need to be. So that's on me. I was like, man, these screws are hella loose. But it was me. It's doing it wrong. I'm like, man, this ain't gonna work. So, boom, go ahead and get that started. Right? Oh, that's gonna be perfect. And then we're just gonna work our way around. Boom, boom. Let's go ahead and put that one there. Don't tighten them all up yet. You got one on the bottom there. So this is gonna be really cool to replace this. It takes a few minutes, man. Yep, that's not a screw hole. Way to go, Robert. And I wonder, that's one, I'm certain of it. I'm just gonna hand tighten these, and then once I get them all in, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like those two. So we'll just save these for replacements. I usually keep those extra parts in my fishing bag so that I'll have them out there with me in case something goes wrong. This thing it's really easy to repair. We were out one time and the string broke on me because this is old. So I bought this, it all came with when I bought the John boat, it came with the trailer, it came with the motor and everything, but it had been sitting outside. So things have been slowly going bad on me. I replaced the carbs, replaced the string, ran to Walmart while we were out fishing. I brought the boat in, ran to Walmart, replaced the string, got back out on the water. And then the last time we were getting ready to go out, I was just checking to make sure everything was good, because I go out there and I don't want anybody that I'm out there with to be stranded or left in a position that I could have easily avoided just by checking things over, which you should always do. But this is the old one. As you can see, it's all loose and torn up. See, it doesn't even pull back in like it's supposed to. And so it's supposed to pull that string tight. That got really loose. I opened it up to see what was going on, and it was that recoil spring was really bent out of place and loose there. But, you know, I can, like I said, I'll keep that part. I'll put it in a bag, and we go back out if we have any issues and I'm on the water and I need to just get back in. I can fix that or replace this if something happens to it while I'm out there, just to get us back home. And that's, you know, that's what we want. So that's what we got. So yeah, I'm gonna finish dealing with this thing. I'm gonna crank it up a few times, make sure it's good to go. But I just want to show you guys, you know, little stuff like this, man, it helps people out. Like with this whole hunting and fishing thing, I only fished from the bank with my grandfather from time to time. I had never went hunting until maybe 6-7 years ago now. So a lot of this stuff I'm just learning, and looking at YouTube videos and asking friends questions. So it's something as simple as what I just did. It may be easy to you guys that have been doing this your whole entire life, but for guys like me that are just getting started, just, you know, the concept of going through, checking your equipment and doing these things, it's kind of new. So I want to share these things with you guys, and I ain't out hunting and fishing today, so I figured if I'm going to do this, somebody's going to look for this video at some point to see how to do it and see how easy it is, man. Honestly, without me having to set the camera up and all that thing, it probably is about a 6-7 minute job, folks, at max. And that's for somebody with, you know, very beginner skills. Now I can tinker around with stuff, so I wouldn't say that I'm a beginner, but I am going to say that if you're a beginner, this is something that is going to be really easy for you.